What's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having an amazing Friday. Listen up. The live free trainings are finally here, all right? I've been building the foundation for the past couple weeks. This Sunday, 7 p.m. EST, I'm going to be hosting my first e-commerce live free training. This free training is going to take anyone from zero experience, regardless of what level you are, and teach you everything you need to know to launch your very own high-ticket e-commerce store and make your first $1,000 high-ticket sale in under 60 days. Literally everything that you need to go from complete beginner to building your first profitable high-ticket e-commerce store. Make sure you go and hit the link below and register for this free live training. There is going to be a limited amount of seats, and these are likely going to fill very fast. Hit this link and you register, and you don't miss out on this free live training on Sunday. I'm going to be revealing the same strategies that took me from an active duty Army soldier to now a full-time self-employed e-commerce entrepreneur. The same strategies that I teach my students, the same strategies that have made many people go from zero to making their first $100,000 in sales online. If you know a live step-by-step walkthrough is going to give you that breakthrough that you need to actually find success in e-commerce, and all you got to do is hit this link below and register for my free training, guys. I'll see you guys there.